Embryo transfer. Right now, embryo transfer is an important step in becoming a single father using a surrogate. By way of review, a blastocyst is a type of embryo. Embryo transfer can be really expensive. It can run you between $2,000 and $6,000 a pop in most fertility clinics. A blastocyst consists of approximately 200 to 300 cells. Blastocysts are great for freezing, and when you thaw them out, they're great for transfer and implantation into the womb. The surrogate mother's water breaks. It is actually the amniotic sac which is breaking. Transfer, first you need to carefully thaw out the embryo. Then you transfer it into the surrogate. The transfer process itself is a simple 15-minute procedure that can be performed on an outpatient basis. Before you transfer a blastocyst, though, you need to do genetic testing probably, especially if you're paying a surrogate. Genetic testing is called PGT, pre-implantation genetic testing. Biopsy the blastocyst. Take a sample and send it off to a lab. It takes 1 or 2 weeks for the results to come back. Implantation is a really important vocabulary word that every surrogate father needs to know. Implantation is a step in human development where the embryo attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. The process is pretty complicated. It has 4 different stages. I think that all these technicalities are anything that a man becoming a single father through surrogacy really needs to know. I think an important thing to talk about is the amniotic sac. This contains the amniotic fluid. The surrogate mother's water breaks. It is actually the amniotic sac which is breaking. Sometimes they show pictures of a sheep fetus in a plastic bag, and they claim that that's some type of artificial womb, which to me is a bunch of BS. The plastic bag plays the role of the amniotic sac, which is inside the uterus. It comes out with the afterbirth. It's important to note that past age 35, implantation rates from IVF transfer fall off a cliff, and they seem to drop to almost zero past age 43. You can't buy egg cells. Buying and selling body parts is illegal, but there's a loophole. If a woman wants to donate an egg cell, you can pay her for her time and effort that she takes to go into the clinic to donate. You can pay her for her time, and if a woman has what are called premium egg cells, her time is more valuable. One website I looked at was offering to pay women to take a bunch of hormone pills so that they would turn out like 5 to 6 egg cells at a pop. And they wanted to pay them, if they had premium egg cells, they were willing to pay them $20,000 for this. Dominant follicles can be harvested once per month. The female population may someday be divided up between your queen bees and your worker bees. Your queen bees would provide the premium egg cells, and the worker bees would just be able to go on and be freed from their biology and just be able to work their careers. Let me close by saying I pledge my fealty to our leader, Undead Chronic, and the War Band, and their theory that the red pill should be dealt with on a biological basis. Catch you next time.